The Dynamo has very many competitors, like Maytag, Whirlpool, Air, LG, and GE. However, unlike our competitors, our device is one single device, which both dries and washes the clothes. By combining these devices, it's able to be a smaller size for houses and laundromats. So in houses, they're able to have more room for other devices, as well as laundromats are able to have significantly more machines. As well as we'll be having a loading dock, pictured here, which will allow to have multiple loads and can be started with one simple button. Also, we'll be having a drop basin, so clothes can drop from the washing machine to the dryer, as well as a holding basin, so clean clothes can rest there as other loads are going through. So unlike our competitors, they have multiple machines. However, Haier and LG have a combo machine, which is a washer and dryer combined into one. However, compared to them, their washer dryer combo takes 6 hours, whereas ours only takes 3.
Okay, so for the Extreme Dynamos, our value network model specifically targets college students, men and women ages 18 and plus, laundromats, apartment complexes, as well as individual homeowners. Our whole service product supports a washer, a dryer, a transfer mechanism, our sleek design, as well as a security system and message alert. In order to analyze our supply chain, we begin with several different distributors here. For the washer and dryer system, we have different individuals that are supplying that, as well as the hardware and supplier of the programming for the software and alert system. Those will insinuate to our Extreme Dynamos team, which will compile the actual items together, as well as for the actual programming, we'll go through a wholesale company. From there, they will be marketed toward retailers, web retailers, as well as a service company, which will eventually distribute to our customer. Now, through this, we will have a transaction for products and services of finances, as well as a dollar amount toward the actual consumer. And that is our value model.
Okay, so for some of our customer interviews, we decided to look through the different suppliers and distributors and different groups that were going to be using our product the most. And we decided, since we didn't have a lot of time to interview other companies and different sales associates and financial advisors, that we'd start with our core customers, because they're the ones who are really going to determine whether our product is something they need or want and it's going to be useful for them. So we came up with a list of questions to ask the people, and we came up with, what's your initial reaction after hearing about our product? If the Dynamo were in a laundry area with regular washers and dryers, would you use our product over the competition? What features do you admire the most about the Dynamo? What features do you wish the Dynamo had? And would you buy the Dynamo instead of a regular washer and dryer? And how much would you be willing to pay? So for this feedback, we had a lot of pretty similar answers from most of the customers. A lot of the customers were initially thought it was a great idea. They thought it was really cool, very helpful, and pretty innovative. Some people said that they probably wouldn't buy one right away instead of their original washer and dryer that they have right now, but they might consider it after seeing other people use it in the future. We hope to interview other sales associates, people who work at different retailers and other companies such as ACC. They purchase a lot of washers and dryers for their college campuses and stuff. So we're just hoping to interview them, get some more customer feedback, and figure everything else out.
Our dimensional competitive analysis compares various features among the washer-dryer combo, which is one unit in itself, the standard 2-unit model, the tall combo, which is a washer attached to a dryer, and the Dynamo. The various attributes we decided to compare were load size, in which the combo model was much smaller than the other three, power use, human intervention per load, price, time to wash dry, size, the forgotten time between loads, and simultaneous loads. The Dynamo adds convenience to the customer, and we quantified this by the forgotten time between loads, as well as the simultaneous loads. Because of the loading dock, the Dynamo can have 3 loads simultaneously being washed and dried, and the forgotten time between loads is also reduced to 0, as it automatically transfers your load from the washer to the dryer. Human intervention is also less, as the automatic feature I just described